Welcome to Applivery App Distribution Demo. We're excited to showcase how our platform can streamline your app deployment process. If you have any questions during the demo, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's get started. To streamline your experience, we've divided this demo into sections, allowing you to jump directly to topics of interest. Please select the desired topic using the buttons below. To begin, please sign up by entering your name, email, and password, or by using your preferred identity provider. Welcome to the Applivery dashboard. As you can see, we've created your tenant at one-click speed. Now navigate to the App Distribution section from the top menu. Create a new app that will represent your project, serving as a container for your application builds across various platforms, including iOS, macOS, Android, PlayStation, Xbox, and others. This structure enables you to manage multiple versions and variants of your application within a single project, streamlining distribution and updates. To get started, enter your app name and click Save. This step is crucial to streamline your app deployment to Applivery. To upload a build, you have two options. 1. Manually. 2. Integrating with a CI and CD platform. Let's start with the manual method. To manually upload a build, click on Upload Build. Then you can just drag and drop your build and click Upload. To automate build uploads via CI and CD integration, go to Settings. Go to API Tokens and click on Create API Token. Assign a name to the token to easily identify it in the future and click Save. Copy the token and use it in your CI/CD provider. We have prepared comprehensive documentation to assist you the most with popular CI and CD integrations. After uploading a build, the next step is to create a publication. Publications are the representation of your apps within your App Store, and you can have as many as you need. This serves as a landing page with access restrictions and targeting specific builds or variants, facilitating organized distribution and updates. To begin, click the Create Publication button. Publication supports setting up the URL where the builds will be available, customize visibility settings, and manage secure access. Then you will be able to configure the build you want to distribute by choosing among different options, such as always distribute the last build available for the different platforms, manually selecting a build, or using tags and branches to dynamically select the builds. Set visibility options. Manage who can view your build by setting it as active, inactive, or unlisted, allowing for flexible distribution strategies. Manage secure access. Apply security measures such as public access, restricted access, private option, or password protection for authenticated users to safeguard your application as needed. Additionally, you can target specific user groups through your single sign-on integration or manual tagging. Build selection refers to the process of choosing a specific version of your application for deployment or distribution. This feature allows you to manage and distribute various builds across different platforms, such as iOS, Android, macOS, and others. By selecting the appropriate build, you can ensure that users have access to the correct version of your application, facilitating organized distribution and updates. Let's review the 5 options. 1. Latest build deployment. Automatically distribute the most recent build uploaded for each operating system, ensuring users have access to the latest version without manual intervention. 2. Manual selection. Choose a specific build from your list for distribution. This method is straightforward but doesn't support build history tracking. 3. Tag-based selection. Utilize custom tags assigned to your builds to distribute any app matching a particular tag or set of tags, allowing for organized and efficient distribution. Git integration. Deploy builds that correspond to a specific Git branch, for example, develop, or Git tag, for example, v1 0.0, facilitating seamless integration with your development workflow. To access the publication site, especially if it's unlisted and intended for a specific audience based on tags, you'll need to invite users. This can be done through the People section of your app, granting access solely to that app, or via the People section of your workspace. If you wish to invite collaborators to your project, assign them roles such as admin, developer, or viewer. However, if you want users to only download the app without accessing the dashboard, invite them as employees. This role restricts their access to the publication site alone. Each user's view of your enterprise app store is tailored based on their permissions. In certain configurations, users may have access solely to a specific publication, a dedicated landing page directing them to a particular app version. In such cases, users won't have access to the main app store. As a final example, let's explore a landing page that requires user authentication to download an app. In this scenario, users must log in using their credentials, whether through a single sign-on integration or other authentication methods, to access the download link. This ensures that only authorized users can download the application, strengthening security and access control. For detailed guidance on setting up authentication methods, please refer to Applivery's documentation. Thank you for coming this far. If you're not yet an Applivery customer and need a custom quote, we recommend reaching out to your sales agent or visiting our website to complete the quote request form.